SDCCU has opened up their doors and they have allowed people to come in. Some of the people have pets. We are here to offer supplies, food, bedding, anything the pet owners need. We're giving them leashes and collars. You know, kind of the basics and the bare minimum for what they need.
So we're contracted with the City of San Diego to provide emergency animal services for disaster events like this one. So we're both required to be there, but as an organization we really want to be there. So the shelter is intended to be open for about 5 days, so we're going to be there every day, just assessing what the needs are.